Kenya mar mine mar hockey ogolo tuke mag laro thuolo mar dhi chung'ne Afrika e Olimpik ma higa manyien bang' kanologi 1-0 gi Nigeria odhiambo ma kawuono. Tugono nogo e bomano ma Pretoria, Afrika ma milambo. Kapten ma Kenya Lynn Kipsang wacho ni gisepuonjore kuom makosa mane gitimo momiyo nologi gi Nigeria. Nigeria koro emodonjo e final.
Unfortunate deflection of the Kenyan stick there into the goal, over her goalkeeper.
Well, we didn't think he's from Nigeria. They've made it through to the final of AFCON 2023.
First team
to do, is it?
Yes, it's not, but anyway, the results that we get. I would like to congratulate Nigeria for their win. They really fought for it, and I think best luck for my team, tough luck. We live to fight another day. Yes, we'll take our lessons, and as I've said earlier, we live to fight another day.
Seriously.
Hey, how does that feel?
I feel so happy, so proud of the ladies, so proud of my coaches, the federation, in fact Nigeria. I'm so proud, I'm so happy. Well, from the first matches initially, if you remember, I talked about the weather. The weather, we're not used to that weather. It was so cold.